Hi, I'm Franciszek Quintus. I'm the ServiceNow ITSM Domain Expert Lead.
Hello, my name is Martin Karlec. I am the business lead of ServiceNow ITSM Domain at DevOteam Alps. At the DevOteam, we help our clients to achieve their digital goals through our offer of both advisory and implementation services. Our team of expert professionals can lead clients through their journey to a more mature IT environment by streamlining and automating their ITSM processes. In May, our colleagues will show you how to take your ITSM workflows to the next level with ServiceNow ITSM Pro. On the 3rd of May, we will introduce the platform and highlight its key benefits and features.
And if you already have ITSM Pro, we have something in store for you as well. On May 24th, we'll focus our session on getting the most out of your solution to truly boost your ITSM capabilities with ServiceNow. You can find both webinars on our site. Registrations are open. See you online.